List all the rational possibilities. Well, remember that's back divided by front. The back is 6 and the front is 1. So divided by plus or minus 1, like that a lot. Divisors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. And so my list is 1, 2, 3, 6. Now I need to use my grapher to narrow the list. So I'm going to pull my grapher, and I'm going to clear out what I have in there. And so I'm going to put in, and y1, I'm going to put in x to the 4th minus 5x cubed plus 7x squared minus 5x plus 6, and I'm going to cross-check it. X to the 4th minus 5x cubed plus 7x squared minus 5x plus 6. And since I've used my calculator in calculus, I'm going to go ahead and do a zoom standard and bring up the standard graphing window. And it looks like it is 2 and 3. So I narrow my list to 2 and 3. So let's check it. So trace 2, yes, 3, yes. So 2 and 3 are my zeros. So all the zeros, 2 and 3. And now I need to find the rest, so I want to use synthetic division divided out. So 2 into 1, negative 5, 7, negative 5, 6. Bring down the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, and add. 2 times 3 is, negative 3, almost did that, didn't I? 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, and add. 2 times 1 is 2, and add. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, and add. Remainder 0. If I don't get a remainder 0, I've done something wrong. So now I'm going to divide out the 3. Bring down the 1. 3 times 1 is 3, and add. 3 times 0 is 0, and add. 3 times 1 is 3, and add. Remainder 0. Constant x, x squared. This gives me x squared plus 1. So to find the other zeros, I need to take x squared plus 1, set it equal to 0. X squared equals negative 1. X equals plus or minus the square root of negative 1, or x equals plus or minus I. So though it is degree 4, it has 4 zeros, 2, 3, and plus or minus I. Now on this problem it says find an 11th degree polynomial with this information. Now what we need to know is that, remember, we need to deal with the conjugates. So if minus 3i is a 0, so is plus 3i. And if 1 plus the square root of 3 is 0, so is 1 minus the square root of 3. So what do we have? We have x minus 0. You could say just x cubed, multiplicity 3. X plus 2, because it's minus 2, multiplicity 4. X minus 3i. X plus 3i. X minus the 0, 1 plus the square root of 3. And x minus the 0, x minus 1 minus the square root of 3. Now you can multiply like that out and have x minus 1 minus the square root of 3, x minus 1 plus the square root of 3. That would be perfectly okay too. And instead of x minus 0, just have x cubed.